What's up, adventurers? Today is going to be a quick little video. We're going to cook up some noodles in the snow here, somewhere in the woods. So join me for today's adventure, guys. Let's have some fun. Oh yeah. I'm already tired, guys, but I have to get myself up this little hill right here. Bear with me, guys. Jeez. Oh, frick. I can't really have my gloves on because it's impossible to press the buttons and stuff on my camera. But yeah, we are at the campsite right now. We have this place all to ourselves, not a single footprint, but that means we have to clear this area up ourselves. I'm just gonna do that pretty quickly right now, so you have a place to sit and cook up our food. So hang on tight, guys. No, it doesn't work, man. Yeet. This one is pretty handy to have. Gonna set up my cooking gear. Since we have snow everywhere around us in large amounts, we're gonna use that as our water for today. Gonna heat that up, boil it, and pour it inside our noodle pack. Okay, so let's collect some snow. Shouldn't really be that difficult. Let's fill this up first, then start to heat it up, and as it melts down, just gonna refill with snow. I'm sorry for the sniffing. My nose is running real bad. This looks like a perfect place. Compress it down. Well, I shouldn't compress the cup down. Just like that. Here's our little campsite, all to ourselves, with a beautiful view right out here, with a steep drop. We're not going to get close to that anytime soon. Frick! All that snow I collected in a cup just a minute ago. When it melted, it's about 1 centimeter from the bottom, so we need a lot more snow. So let's get some more snowballs. I forgot to show you what's on the menu. This is the one we're gonna cook up. Put some spices in it to enhance the flavors. And of course, guys, you guys have watched my channel before. Ketchup, the most important ingredient. So let's collect some more snow, put it in the cup. Nice. Wait, Oh, I'm so sorry guys, I totally forgot to mention, we actually have a little special guest in today's episode. He's called Kalle. Let me introduce you guys. He's a little redhead, as you can see. He's pretty happy to be here with us today. So, what did you say, Kalle? Did you say like and subscribe? Yeah. Because of Kalle, you have to click the like button and subscribe right now. Maybe he will join us in later adventures. Maybe not in summer. He's more fond of the winter time. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think that is the last Snowball I need in my cup. And then we're gonna leave it alone while we are waiting for the food to boil. Well, the water to boil. Let's have a little competition. We're gonna throw snowballs on that tree right there. This one. The number of snowballs I need to use to hit that tree right there is the number of seconds I need to put my face down into the snow. So let's hope I hit within the first few throws. Not even close, man. 1, 2, frick, 3. Heck yeah, I hit the 3. At third throw, that's a tongue twister. Not too bad, 3 seconds. Have to take off my hat that I've actually knitted myself. My mother helped me a little bit, but yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Frick. Oh, cold. Stupid freaking idea, bro. Oh. I think my microphone got a little bit snow on it too, but that's all right. Okay, back to work, guys. Let us get the noodle pack ready. It already got some spice. Oh, frick, it's boiling. Let's pour the water in. The handle is a little bit hot. I can see there are some bark pieces in the water. But I'm no pussy. We're gonna let the noodle pack stand here without falling over. Yeah, and while we're waiting for the food to get done, I'm going to find some sticks and we're going to make some chopsticks to eat the food with. Oh yeah, so stay tuned. So yeah, let's find some sticks. I think this should do it. Let's head back and see what we can make out of this one. Okay, here is the stick. I don't need more than this. Yeet. Peel off the bark. That's where all the nasty stuff is. Not the best, but not the worst. The noodles are almost done. So I'm just going to sit there for about 2 minutes, enjoy my time here. Then it's time to eat, guys. Heck yeah. Oh jeez, it's getting colder and colder, guys. But it is time to eat. By the way, guys, Happy New Year. I really hope you had a nice Christmas and you celebrated the new year with friends, families. And I really hope this year, 2025, is going to be amazing for you guys. So let's try to taste these noodles. One of the chopsticks is a little bit too small. Actually starting to piss me off. Come on, man. Frick. Just what I need right now. The chopsticks was a failure, but the food, heck yeah. It's really beautiful here, with the snow all over the place. All the trees are bowing down because of the heavy snow load on top of them. So it was a successful mission, guys. We managed to get ourselves up here to the campsite in all the snow. We melted some water, cooked up some noodles, and everything is just fine. So I guess that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for clicking the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you guys next time. Oh yeah.